Hi guys, this is Gordon again for this short video tutorial on PeopleString. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to get paid using PeopleString. As I showed you before, first thing to do is to set it as your home page, okay? And then this is what you have to do as your daily activity every now and then when you can through your day. So let's see. Let's start again. You can search in Google up here in the search box. Example, search. I click visit Malta. You click go, okay, and you of course start browsing. So when you browse, you get paid, because when you click on the browser, it will show here in the people points, so you are increasing revenue. Then when you click on mailbox cashbox, important, just a reminder to do your survey as soon as you sign up on PeopleString. Your 30 questions, only about 5 minutes work, which will give you $1.50 just to do the mailbox cashbox survey. That's another daily activity you can do. You just click on it then and you hit back, and as you can see here, it also gave me some other points in here. It's 20 points to click on mailbox cashbox and then go back. You play the games, okay? The guess which hand. You can so you can get your 30 points. The prize wheel, it's pretty cool. I've got one in my download that he's won the $100 prize, which is pretty cool. And also the People Lotto, you can play this game, scratch game, every 4 hours. So that's pretty your daily activity, what you can do to get paid on PeopleString. And then of course the vital point is to tell your friends, your families, and your relatives to join under your referral link that you have received in your email once you've joined. So just send them the referral link and tell them to join in this pretty cool and awesome homepage, so they can join your downline, and you get 50 cents for every direct referral, and then up to the 2nd and 6th level you get paid from their daily activity 2% and 5% from your direct referral activity. As soon as they generate their ads revenue through their PeopleString homepage, you get paid, as I said, direct 5%, and from level 2 to level 6 you get paid 2%. And another important thing is to show and follow your direct referrals. Important to show them these kind of videos, this kind of video tutorials. Nowadays there's plenty on YouTube running around, so there's no excuses how they can use it, and how if they have some kind of problems on how to use it. In that case, you can send me an email on gordy@peoplestring.com. I will be very helpful and indeed to reply to your emails. And of course, check out the support, the PeopleString support, which you will find it if you go PeopleString settings here. before you ask a question, of course. There's a frequently asked questions that I found them very helpful. Here you go, frequently asked questions or support. You can send them an email or frequently asked questions in here. Okay, that will answer many questions that you might have. So that's pretty it. How you get paid. Remember, tell your friends, families. It's free today, free tomorrow, free every single day. So there's nothing to lose, nothing to risk. Just have fun out there and use your people string. That's all for this short video on how to get paid. I'm Gordon Attard. Have an awesome day, guys, and have fun on your people string. Take care.